Welcome to the modern sawmill, where massive raw logs are transformed into exquisite lumber for luxury furniture.
Heavy transport trucks deliver tons of timber from the forest directly to the sprawling industrial log yard. Massive hydraulic cranes lift the heavy pine logs with ease to stack them in organized raw piles.
These rough, organic materials contain the potential for high-end carpentry, hidden beneath layers of thick bark. The process begins as front loaders push the selected logs onto the heavy steel chain conveyor decks. Powerful chains drive the heavy timber forward, while high-pressure water jets wash away dirt and debris. The debarking machine utilizes a spinning rotor to strip away the outer layer without damaging the wood. Removing the bark is essential to protect the delicate saw blades from rocks and embedded grit particles. Now clean and smooth, the log travels to the scanning station, where advanced sensors analyze its shape. Lasers project a grid over the spinning timber to create a precise three-dimensional digital computer model. Sophisticated software calculates the optimal cutting pattern to maximize the usable yield from every single log. The log enters the head rig, where massive bandsaw blades make the initial primary structural cuts.
Razor-sharp steel teeth slice through the dense fiber at incredible speeds to square off the timber.
The rounded sides, known as slabs, fall away to be chipped and recycled for paper or fuel.
The remaining square block is called a cant, and it contains the highest quality grain for furniture. The cant enters the gang saw, where multiple vertical blades cut it into several boards at once.
This efficient method turns the single large block into multiple rough planks in just one rapid pass.
The resulting boards are still rough and green, meaning they are saturated with natural sap and moisture. Transfer chains move the fresh plank sideways toward the edging machine to clean up the rough sides. Another scanner detects any remaining bark or irregular edges to ensure the board will be perfectly rectangular. Circular saws adjust automatically to slice off the uneven edges, leaving a sharp and defined board profile. The thin waste strips are dropped into chutes below the floor to ensure a clean factory environment. The lumber arrives at the trimmer station, where a row of drop saws cuts them to length. These precise cuts remove any defects on the ends and standardize the lumber for commercial market sizes.
The cut boards flow onto the green chain, where they are sorted based on thickness and species.
Automated mechanical arms kick the boards into different bins, grouping them by their dimensions and quality grade. Once a bin is full, it lowers and deposits the load onto a stacking conveyor belt system. A machine places small wooden sticks between the layers to allow air to circulate during the drying. Large forklifts pick up the prepared bundles to transport them to the massive industrial drying kiln chambers.
The massive metal doors of the kilns slide open to accept the wood for the thermal treatment. Operators stack the wood to the ceiling, ensuring that hot air can pass through every single layer.
Operators monitor digital control panels as the temperature climbs to slowly bake the moisture out of wood.
The drying process can take days or weeks, depending on the species and the desired moisture content.
Giant fans circulate the hot air to ensure that the lumber dries evenly from the core outward.
Removing the water prevents the wood from warping or rotting once it is built into fine furniture.
When the moisture content reaches the target level and the doors open to reveal the stabilized dry lumber. The hot stacks are moved to a cooling shed to acclimatize before they undergo the surfacing process. Allowing the wood to cool down prevents surface checking and cracking, which would ruin the material value.
An automated unstacker tips the bundles to separate the boards from the spacer sticks used during drying. The rough dry boards now travel to the planer mill to receive a smooth and finished surface. Sensors double-check the moisture content of every board to ensure no wet lumber enters the planer.
The wood enters the high-speed planer, where rotating knives shave off the rough exterior on all sides.
Carbide knives, spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute, create a perfectly smooth and uniform glass-like finish. Powerful vacuum systems instantly suck away the shavings and dust to keep the machinery running without jamming. The boards exit the machine, revealing the beautiful natural grain patterns that will define the final furniture. High-definition cameras photograph all four sides of the moving board to identify even the smallest defects.
Artificial intelligence algorithms detect knots, splits, and resin pockets to assign a specific grade to each piece.
A mechanical stamp applies a grade mark to the lumber, certifying its quality for international trade standards.
Some boards move to a chop saw, where defects are cut out, leaving shorter, clear wood pieces. These shorter blocks can be glued together using finger joints to create long and stable structural boards.
Precision cutters shape the ends into interlocking fingers that provide a massive surface area for the glue.
The machine presses the glued ends together with hydraulic force, creating a bond stronger than the wood itself.
The joined board moves through a curing tunnel, where heat sets the adhesive instantly for immediate handling. Back on the main line, the premium solid boards are sorted automatically by their length and grade.
Human inspectors perform a final visual check on the highest grade material destined for fine luxury cabinetry. The experienced workers mark specific trim lines to ensure only the most perfect wood makes the final cut. A precision trim saw follows the manual markings to remove any last-minute blemishes from the product. The finished boards accumulate in vertical bins, stacking up perfectly even and ready for the packaging stage. The bin releases the completed stack onto a chain conveyor that carries it to the automated strapping machine. A machine wraps heavy-duty plastic straps around the bundle and tightens them to secure the load. Automated blocks are placed under the stack so that forklifts can easily pick it up easily. A robotic arm applies a protective weatherproof wrap around the entire bundle to prevent moisture damage. A label printer dispenses a large tag containing the barcode species information and final destination of the wood. This label ensures that the inventory is tracked accurately as it moves from the factory to the warehouse. Forklifts transport the finished wrapped bundles to the shipping dock, where they await transport to furniture manufacturers. The warehouse holds thousands of units organized by wood type, ready to be shipped all over the world. Trucks back up to the loading dock, where the logistics team carefully plans the loading of the cargo.
Drivers place the long bundles tight against the trailer walls to maximize space and prevent shifting during transit.
Nothing in the modern sawmill is wasted, as even the sawdust is collected in large storage silos.
This fine powder is sold to farmers for animal bedding, or used to make particle board products.
The larger wood chips are transported on a separate conveyor belt to be sold to paper pulp mills.
The bark that was stripped at the beginning is processed into garden mulch for landscaping and gardening use. Some waste is burned in a biomass boiler to generate the heat needed to run the drying kilns.
This closed-loop energy system reduces the carbon footprint of the factory and lowers the operating costs significantly.
In the filing room, skilled technicians sharpen the massive bandsaw blades to keep the cuts precise.
Robotic grinders restore the edge on the carbide teeth, ensuring that the lumber surface remains smooth and consistent.
Correct tension is critical so the blade does not wander or wobble while cutting through the hardwood logs.
The modern sawmill is a symphony of coordination between heavy machinery and advanced computer software and skilled human operators.
The operation runs around the clock, processing thousands of trees every day to meet the global demand.
Each board tells the story of the tree, carrying the history of the forest in its grain patterns. Once the lumber leaves the factory, it arrives at furniture workshops, where the next transformation phase begins.
Craftsmen cut the factory boards into specific components for tables, chairs, and cabinets designed for luxury homes.
Sanding the wood reveals the deep, rich color and texture that makes natural timber so desirable for design.
Applying oil or stain enhances the grain and protects the material, ensuring it will last for generations.
The precise manufacturing at the sawmill allows these pieces to fit together perfectly, without gaps or structural weakness. The final product is a stunning piece of furniture that highlights the natural beauty of the raw log.
From the rough bark of the forest to this polished surface, and the journey of the wood is complete.
This transformation requires a complex chain of industrial technology and human expertise, working in perfect synchronization together. Modern sawmills are constantly evolving, using data to become more efficient and waste less of the natural resource. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that for every tree harvested, new seedlings are planted to replenish the supply. This cycle of renewal allows the timber industry to provide materials without permanently depleting the essential forest ecosystems.
As the sun sets over the facility, and the night shift crew arrives to keep the production lines moving, the demand for quality lumber never sleeps, and the machinery continues its rhythmic work throughout the dark night.
Operators watch the glowing screens, ensuring that safety protocols and quality standards are maintained at all times.
The steam from the kilns rises into the cool night air, a sign of the industry in motion.
Another truck leaves the gates, carrying the materials that will build homes and furnish lives across the country.
It is a gritty and loud environment, but it produces a material of warmth, beauty, and lasting utility.
The modern sawmill stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring relationship with the natural world. From the rugged log yard to the finished dining table, and the process is a marvel of modern engineering. Thank you for joining us inside the factory to witness how lumber is made for luxury furniture.